Riri bururi werekeire githurano kinene kia mweri wa kanana anyitite miruhonge-ini rwa githomo ni matunganite niguo kwihariria mihango yo ya kinyanira. Minister wa githomo ndagitari Fred Matiang'i nirite arimu othe anene matiguitikire kuhuthirwo ni ateti makienda gutafania micemanio ya mathukuru-ini kuona ni meguthararia mathomo.
This is an exercise that we carry out once in 5 years. We do not want to sit back, and that's why we put together this team to do a risk assessment and preparations for the general elections and how they will affect the education sector.
Ona kuri oguo Matiang'i niaugite ministry ya githomo ni rebanga uria thukuru ciothe undu umwe na university ikuhinga kwa ihinda ria ciumia igiri kuona imwe ciacio ni ikahuthika ta ceceni cia wikia wa kura.
Now I want to consult with the vice chancellors and the principals of colleges that we actually take a 2-week break from 4th of August.
Hamwe na uguo Matiang'i niaugite ni megutigira thukuru itinagumirwo ni thagathago mbere ya githurano turorete kia mweri wa kanana.
We must know from IBC how many classrooms they will need, in which classrooms those are, and what facilities they will need. For those of you whose colleges or universities will be used, same story. You need to have an inventory of what facilities the IBC will need, hand them over, and then receive them back from the IBC as soon as the process is done, so that we are able.
Ona kuri oguo kamiti iria yacaguritwo gutafania uthuthuria gitumi kinene kia mathukuru kugoma nineanire riboti yo kuri minister wa githomo kuria riboti yo yonanitie thukuru 98 kuma kaunti 38 nicio ciatafanirie migomo na gucina mathukuru mwaka muthiru. Oho uthuthuria ucio ni wonanitie gitumi kinene kia hathara yo kuhanika ni wagi wa mitugo miega hari arutwo, unyui wa dawa cia kurefia, ciana gukimanirira nyumba-ini ciao cia toro, igeranio nyingi, uhuthiri wa thimu na uteti. Thutha wa macukuru maingi gukorwo magicinwo mwaka muhituku, riu kamiti ya uthuthuria ni twarite mendekithia kuri ministry ya githomo kuria icunjĩ 11 hari muigana wa icunjĩ 29 ciambĩrĩirie kurutithio wira. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma Nairobi, njĩtagwo Mwihaki wa Kamau.